Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. Today you will be seeing fashion illustration with different colorful leaves. If interested in painting online classes, my details are in this video and below this video. These are white and green shaded leaves. Any model cutting from a newspaper. Cut the figure and remove the extra paper. I have different courses of painting online. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, origata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, faces and many more. Now this figure is ready for decoration. Now I am placing small leaves on the top and a big leaf in the middle. Now the medium size leaves down. Select different sizes of leaves from big to small and arrange as you wish. How beautiful this leaf doll is looking. Now I am taking two different varieties of leaves. This is 3 paired leaves. And now I am taking 2 small ones and placing on the top. Now I am placing these 3 paired leaves. In the center I am placing these plain 2 long leaves. See how creative and beautiful this doll is looking. These are red, green and brown shaded leaves in different sizes. On the top again I am placing small 2 leaves and then again 2 small medium size leaves. Constantly increasing the size of leaves as moving down. 2 small leaves at the bottom. I am extending the flare of the gown. I'll take mixed leaves for this doll. White and green spotted leaves on the top, then again white leaf in the center, and small leaves for the flare of the gown. Love it, creating different designs of your own imagination. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on techniques of painting and artworks. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.